Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to turn on your Tesla Model S. First, make sure your key fob is inside the vehicle with you. The Model S is designed for a seamless experience, so there's no traditional start button. Once you're seated in the driver's seat with the key fob present, the car automatically powers on, ready for your command. It's a truly intuitive and modern approach to vehicle operation, making your driving experience effortless from the very beginning. The key fob's presence is absolutely essential for your Model S to operate. The vehicle constantly communicates with the fob, ensuring it's authorized to drive. You can keep it in your pocket, purse, or even a designated cup holder. If the car cannot detect the key fob, it simply will not allow you to shift into drive or reverse, acting as a crucial security measure. This system ensures only authorized drivers can operate the vehicle. Once the car is powered on, you're almost ready to go. Simply press the brake pedal firmly with your foot. This action signals to the vehicle that you intend to drive. Then, use the stalk on the right side of the steering column to shift into either drive or reverse. As soon as you select a gear, the Model S is fully operational and ready to move, offering instant torque and a smooth departure. One of the most distinctive features of the Tesla Model S is the absence of a traditional start button. Unlike many other vehicles, you won't find a button to push to turn on the car. This innovative design streamlines the entire process. You simply enter the vehicle with your key, press the brake pedal, and select your desired gear. It's a testament to Tesla's commitment to a minimalist and user-friendly interface, making driving more intuitive.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.